everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project, or welcome if it's your first time here. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the tune Golden Slippers on the violin, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below. And if you're not already subscribed to the Tune Project, I do post videos just like this one each and every week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button below along with the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I put out a new video. As always, the timestamps will be listed in the description box below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. And for the extended edition of this video where I show you how to play the version of the tune that you heard just a minute ago, head over to Patreon and join our Patreon community, or become a member of the Tune Project right here on YouTube. All you have to do is either click the link in the description box below for Patreon, or just simply head over to my YouTube channel homepage and click join. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. So for this tune, we're in the key of D major. It is an old-time reel, and the first phrase goes like this. Okay, so a mix of quarter notes and eighth notes there. We ended on an F sharp on the E string, and for the next phrase, we come back down to the A string on our third finger D. So ending there on an open E. The next phrase follows a very similar pattern, except this time we're starting on a C sharp. Okay, so a little bit of string crossing action going on there between the A string and E string. And here is our last phrase of the A section, again starting on a C sharp. So that is the whole A section, and the form of this tune, like many old-time traditional tunes, is AABB, so we would go ahead and repeat that A section. But for now, let's go back to the beginning and play this whole A section just one time through. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So moving right along into this B section, we start on an A. We have a sustained note here. It is a dotted half note, and we have a note that is not in the key. Bonus points if you're able to answer in the comment section below what a note that falls outside of the key signature is called, but we do have one of those in this first phrase. So see if you can listen for that note that doesn't quite fit and try to find out which one it is. Were you able to tell which note it was? It was the C natural, which means that we're gonna play our second finger close to the first finger. So there's gonna be a half step between the B and C in this particular phrase. For the next phrase, we're starting on an E, just an open E, and we do have another C in this phrase, but it is a C sharp. So we're back to the regular key signature. All right, so now we're getting into the first ending of this B section, and the whole first ending sounds like this. All right, and at this point we repeat back to the beginning of the B section, and our second ending is just a little different, and I'll go ahead and play that for you so you know what it sounds like. So because this time around in this B section, our first and second endings are significantly different from one another, what I'm gonna do is play the whole B section twice. So I'll take the repeat after the first ending, and then we'll end with the second ending the second time around, just so that you're able to get a feel for what that transition is like and practice both of the endings. 1, 2, ready, go! Well, that is all of Golden Slippers. I really hope you enjoyed learning that tune with me today. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you're interested in the extended version of this tutorial where I teach you how to add in some fun ornaments like double stops and grace notes and things like that to just spice up the tune a little bit and make it a little bit more interesting and more fiddly, then definitely head over to Patreon to get access to that video, or become a member right here on YouTube by visiting my channel homepage and clicking join for access to that video. Also, if you're interested in taking a look at the sheet music for this tune, you can find it in my digital sheet music library, which also the link for that is in the description box below. And if you don't already know, my digital sheet music library is a place where you can find the sheet music for the tunes that I teach in all of my tutorials. So definitely check out that helpful resource if you feel like you need it. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing!